All right, so today I'm here at the shop and I'm turning some bowls. Initially when I start turning, I have just a piece of tree basically that I've cut to length. I split it down the middle, like so. And then this gets mounted on the lathe and I turn the outside. So at this point you can see I've already turned the outside, I've remounted it, so basically the piece of wood looks like so. And now I'm going to actually hollow out the inside. And this is kind of the fun part, the more exciting part of the process. I'm using what's called a bowl gouge. This is a rather large one. And I hold this on the tool rest. As the lathe is spinning, I just push it through the wood. I'm allowing the rotation of the lathe to actually do the work rather than forcing the gouge through the workpiece. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. Lathe is on now. Just light pressure, rotate a little bit, and we start to make a cut. So I would proceed all the way down through the bowl, making cuts just like that. After I finished making my cuts, I'd come through and sand it. And when I do finish the piece, it will eventually end up looking kind of like so.